All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom grill set that we just had done for a customer. It is 10K gold and all open teeth. You can see there it's 8 on 8, 8 top, 8 bottom teeth, open face. Check that out. It's handmade for a perfect fit. Just snaps right on the teeth there. And you can do a top, you can do a bottom or a set. That's up to you. You choose how many teeth you want. So you get a frame around each tooth. That red stuff you see there, that's just the wax that's used in the process of making the grills for the mold as a filler. But yeah, here it is, guys. It's all open, guys. All open teeth. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. I'll show you the back side. Check that out. So see how it works? It just snaps right on the teeth. And you got your stamp right there, 10K. It's real gold, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.